I'm going to quickly walk you through the different course sites you have access to as a CFSP. So this is, once you've logged in, you should be taken to the My Courses page and you will see all of the sites you have access to. So I'm going to start off by taking you into the Food and Spirit dashboard. So the Food and Spirit dashboard is only available to CFSPs who have been certified. So you just click on that, the course image there, and then you're taken into more information about the dashboard. So in here, we do have some information about the Food and Spirit membership group. We've included information about the intellectual property guidelines, which I'll talk about more in a moment. And then down here below, this is where you can access logos and marketing materials. These are recommendations from Dr. Minnick. And then these check-in and webinars, these are the ones prior to the starting of the Food and Spirit membership group. So those ones go further back. The most recent webinar recordings are only available to people who are currently members of the Food and Spirit membership group. And so those are now posted on the closed Facebook page if you're a current member and need to access those. So you can see, you can come into the logo section, you can download those logos to use, and then there's some additional art here, as well as some slides that are available to you. And then you can just navigate back to the main page if you need to go into one of the other sections. So that's the Food and Spirit dashboard. Then we also have the Certified Food and Spirit Practitioner Program. So this particular course site has all of the course content from the CFSPP. So all of the lectures, the video recordings of the lectures, those are all available to you still. So you can just come in here and find all of that content. And again, you just scroll down to the course content section. It's broken down by the various weeks. And you can go into any of those and access all of the content that you would have reviewed when actually going through your certification. So again, the videos are embedded right there. There are downloads in here of the different notes, as well as sometimes some other links for you as well. So that's all of the content site. Again, that one is the Certified Food and Spirit Practitioner Program. And then you also have available to you the Food and Spirit Toolkit. This is where you'll find all of the forms that you might want to use during consultations. And again, there's always sort of an intro section. And then if you scroll down, you'll find the different sections linked here that you can go into. The intellectual property use guidelines are also linked here. So you can always review those if you have any questions at all. This provides you information on why you need to properly refer back and refer to the copyright. There's the guidelines here and some examples for you, how to properly use any of the trademarks. All of that information is there for you. And there is a video in here that provides some additional information about using the forms in the toolkit. And again, to access those, you just go down to this Forms and PDF section. And to download any of these forms, you just click Download here. And that's how you would get all of those. And then there are some graphics and infographics available here. So again, you just open up the section and you can click here for any of those. And then there is an other resources section that includes ebooks. And again, all you do is click the download here button. So just to quickly review, I'm just going to go back to the main My Courses page again. The Food and Spirit dashboard, that's only available to people who have been certified, and that's where you would go into to access the logos. The Certified Food and Spirit Practitioner Program, that is the content site with all of the lectures. And then the Food and Spirit Toolkit has all of the forms for you to download, some infographics, and that other resources section.